Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how do you stop people from tagging you on Facebook. So first of all, open up the Facebook app, and as you can see, this is the interface. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the settings gear at the top right, settings gear, and then scroll a little bit down until you've seen the audience and visibility, and you're going to see option called profile and tagging. Press okay, and basically what I'm gonna do, who can post on your profile, friends and everything, and you're gonna focus on the tagging section. So you're gonna see two options: who can see posts you tagged in on your profile, or when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of that post if they can't already see it. So I'm gonna make both of these options private. So I'm gonna just select this one and make it only me. I'm gonna select this option. I'm gonna select that section 2 and I'm gonna make it only me. And here, review tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. And I'm gonna color this one blue. And basically, whenever someone tags you on your Facebook profile, you gonna get a notification that you need to review that tagged post before approving it or disapprove it, for that matter, right? And here it says review post you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile. Make that one blue so you can get a heads up before that post before that tagged post is in your profile. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.